this trip alone made me realize how unlonely being alone can be.
If you personally know me, you probably know that I don't like revisiting the same places. I mean, it still looks the same, so why bother going back? But this is an exception. I came here 2 years ago with my friend, and that was when I kind of like started living my second life. So I thought, why not go back to where it all started and try camping for the very first time? I really don't recommend this. I'm here alone. I'm not sure if I picked the right path or not. We'll know later. Oh my gosh! So this is my first time camping, let alone setting up a tent. And as you can see, I'm clearly prepared. You know, I used to be a Girl Scout, so I should know what I'm doing, right? I'm here inside my tent. I had help from the people who were around. It's raining and I'm camping. As you can see, I was obviously excited and really happy about this camping, and that was until the tent is a bit wet inside. So I honestly don't know how I'm gonna be able to sleep later because only this side is not wet. The sides are pretty wet. Oh my, it really says thunderstorm. I don't know. So immediately after that, I packed my bags, got dressed, and left the place with some new friends.
Yeah, it was a struggle coming here. I don't even know where to start.
Being alone definitely has its perks. For example, I can really have a concert, blast my Taylor Swift playlist, watch anime, or even just relax and write some poems. Now, I once read something on the internet that said, step so far outside your comfort zone that you forget how to get back. And I guess this is the start of it. Now, although this trip didn't go as I expected, I believe this trip was something I needed to experience. As a starter, I no longer fear the what ifs I might experience in my upcoming adventures because I can just tell myself, you're gonna be fine. You even tried camping in a thunderstorm.
Oh my gosh.